everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Potomac bead box for May of 2023. This is the Best Bead Box Treasure subscription. It's formerly the regular box. These are used for techniques such as stringing, weaving, and freeform. And there's 10 to 20 different packs of stash beads. Stash beads may include a new collection each month, the same products in multiple colorways. There's 2 to 3 inspirational videos provided for each box. Premium stash beads are crystals, czechless, pearls, seed beads, premium metals, and etc. Past boxes will be available a la carte after several months. The price monthly is $39.99. If you want to price it quarterly, it's $34.99, so you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99, so you save $120 a year. So let's get going and see what we have here. I want to make sure it's not too bright here. Okay, first it wasn't bright enough, now it's too bright. Okay, and this this month is Mother May I Treasure subscription. Join in the fun with this month's Best Bead Box Treasure Edition, the Mother May I. Permission is granted to move forward and take a big step to enhance your design skills. Yes, you may get creative with all the soft spring colors of drops, flowers, and crystals. And here's everything in it. Oh, can't wait to check this out. Ooh, look at all these goodies. I want a jewelry cloth too. Ooh, some pretties. Ooh, some nice findings. Oh, a little bit of chain. Filigree laser cut wood pair of better. Oh. Very cool. Some ear wires. Oh, look at these beauties. Oh. Lucite flowers. I always have fun with those. Oh, look at these. Oh, I can't wait to get unboxing this. Look at that beautiful button. Vintage Czech button. Okay, well, let's get started. Okay, so we're starting with the Potomac Crystal Bicones in Tanzanite, 4 millimeters. These are so pretty. Wow, look at the sparkle on these. There you have the most beautiful bicones. Their crystal bicones are off the charts. They can be used in so many different things too. That's what I love about this. Oh, so beautiful. And the holes, I mean, they're very well made. Very well made. They're beads. Absolutely gorgeous. And next are the Potomac pearls and Fandango, 4 millimeter and 8-inch strand. Sorry if I'm clearing my voice. I'm still getting over this head cold. Oh, wow. Look at these. Look at those, how pretty they are. You can't beat a Potomac pearl, I'll tell you. It doesn't get much better than that. And next is the African Imperubian Amazonite. They're gemstone pebbles. 6 to 8 millimeters. Oh, these are pretty. They're very rustic looking. You know, they're odd shaped and because of the pebble. The other ones are so perfect in size and order and holes, and these have a little more, they have some striations in them, different colors. So pretty. And these, oh, I already have an idea for these. These are the Czechless Morning Glory flowers, 20 millimeters. And it says, oh, look at these. These are gorgeous. Very pretty. Very pretty. Look at these. Look at how well they're made. have the colors that go through them are so pretty. The blues and the little bit of yellow and the pink. There's almost like a hint of like a deep green just in little spots of them. So pretty. Okay, and next is the Sunset Flowers 10 by 10, 10 millimeter, and it's a pack of 10. And these, where's the hole? Yeah, the hole goes through the top. These are so pretty. I've got some really good ideas for this box already. Just from looking at it and opening it up, my creative juices are flowing from this. And they're the same on both sides. So pretty. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and next we have the vintage lucite flowers in assorted colors. These are so pretty. I love the black ones. So you get 2 blues, 2 blacks, 2 pinks, and 2 caramel colors, and then you get 1 purple and 1 like olive green. And these blues are different colors. These are fun for like putting a bead at the top, and then dangle some beads through it and use it as like a focal piece. They're so pretty though. Yes, the creative juices are flowing. Now this is something different. Filigree laser cut wood, a pair of it looks like butterflies. So I'm not sure. I'm looking at this. Benefits laser cut wood designs of protective coating can be removed to reveal the beautiful wood, acrylic, or leather beneath. Not really sure. Very pretty. These would make beautiful earrings. Or you can use one as a focal point for a necklace, and then like you have that little hole right down here, you could put something through it and dangle something down from there. That's, you know, I like to do something outside of the box instead of what everybody else is doing. So yeah, these are really pretty. So we will see with those. And the next is the vintage czechless button. This is really pretty. Very pretty. There's the hole. Even the back of it's pretty. Absolutely love this. Okay, and next we have the czechless drop beads, a pack of 2. Drop beads. Doesn't say what the color is, but there's the hole right there. These are so pretty. Yeah, these would be great for a quick pair of earrings, or to use them as focal points in a necklace. So pretty. And next is the Potomac beads, czechless rounds, 1 strand. Doesn't say what the color is, but oh, look at those. Look at this. Look at the different texture in these. So pretty. So gorgeous. It's like you get the light, like a lime green And then a seafoam green in there, all different colors of green in there. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. And next is the Czechless faceted rounds 6mm. Oh, look at these pale yellow. Can't read that. Pale yellow something. Look at how pretty these are. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at these. Wow. Look at how pretty those are. Look at all the different colors in them. Even though they're yellow, they have a little bit of blue. They have like kind of like a bright orange, almost like a burnt orange red kind of. Different, like pale yellow, and then a really like a bright yellow. Love these. So pretty. We have those. And then next, oh, these are gorgeous. Miyuki Cubes, 4mm pewter lined crystal. Wow. Look at these. Oh. Look at how pretty these are. It's in here too. Look how pretty these are. Wow. I don't think I've ever had these before. But I cannot wait to work with them. Okay, and next are the fancy curved ear wires. Oh, these are pretty. Very pretty. Love, love, love. It says they're 99.9% pure silver plating, 16.4 by 9.4mm. And it's a package of 4. So absolutely beautiful. And next is the Potomac's curb chain. Definitely be putting this to good use. I love mixing chain with beads and my necklaces. You know, just adds a bit of uniqueness to it. It's a nice chain too. Okay. Then next we have Potomac beads, the jump rings open oval, 5x7mm, 18 grams, premium, 99.9% silver plated brass. Package of 36. These are pretty. Oval jump rings are nice because they keep the whatever you're doing in place. When you have a round jump ring, you know, sometimes the piece, if it's dangling, something's dangling from it, it can move around. But when you have an oval, you know, it stays in place better. So these are really, those are a nice, nice little change from the round ones. Then we have the head pins, 2-inch, 21 gram, premium, 99.9% silver plated brass, package of 50. I'll just take some of them out. The ones I can fit out. Yeah, these are nice. I mean, you have everything. You have everything in this box. You can make some beautiful jewelry out of it. All you need are your tools on the sides. And you've got everything else. And last but not least, they gave us a Potomac beads polishing cloth. So this is really nice. So if you have that silver jewelry that kind of tarnishes, I don't want to take it out. I like to keep it in something, keep it, you know, getting your oils from your fingers on it and stuff. So again, Potomac Beads blew it out of the park this month with some beautiful goodies. I cannot wait to work with all of these. And like I said below, my link below to Potomac Beads, you can click on that and it'll take you right to their website, and you can see not only do they have the boxes, but they also have a kit edition, which is for techniques, bead weaving and stitching. It's, you know, for people who do more of that. So, and then they also have tons of stuff for sale that you don't even have to have the box. So go check out their website. It's got a lot of great quality stuff. So, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also all my social media links are below as well. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day, and thanks so much for watching.